you doing? Come over. Come over. Come over. Come over. Come over. Come over.
What's up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kay, and we're kicking off another video, guys. This is going to be our try something new video. TikTok made me do it video. Anyway, if this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? And I'm so glad that you stopped through, and I hope that you stay. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, come on, guys, bring it in, and don't forget to tell a friend. Tell me y'all business. Y'all know what we do. We're kicking this video off in the car, per usual, you know, hey. But today we are actually taking a lunch, something I rarely do. Yeah, I take a lunch, but I don't leave the office. Let's just say that. But anyway, we're leaving the office. We're taking a lunch. We're going to pick up something because if you've been watching, you know that I'm intermittent fasting. And this is day 5. And y'all, I'm really liking the benefits of it and how I feel and everything. But I'll get more into that in a separate video because I'm kind of keeping track of it, trying to do it for a little bit just to see the difference and show you guys the difference and tell you what it's done for me in detail. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you'll know when that video drops. With that being said, we're going to lunch because we're going to try. I keep seeing this trend on TikTok for Chipotle with the quesadillas and the grilled veggies and the sour cream and some kind of vinaigrette dressing. So we're going to go and get that. I should have placed my stuff online, but I didn't. I did look online though at Chipotle, and I think that I don't know. I've never ordered the quesadillas from Chipotle. Have you guys ever ordered the quesadillas? If so, put it down in the comments. I've never ordered them, but I don't want that much food because I'm trying to also do portion control. I'm sorry. We're gonna order it, but I don't really want that much food. I know, coming from the greedy girl. So I looked at the menu. I'm like, for the big one, I think it was like $12 or something for the quesadilla order. But then me, because what you may not know about me is I'm a kids meal eater. I will eat off the kids meal. Yes, she will eat off the kids meal. So the big one is like $12, but if I get the kids meal, it's $4.95. I get chips with it, and I get a drink. Who's not getting the kids meals? You're a child, please. So we're finna go get a kids meal from Chipotle. I don't know what that. They probably charge me for these old grilled onions and bell peppers, but that's fine. I mean, that's fine. I mean, how much is that? Like 10 cents? 10, 20 cents? I don't know. But we're about to try this out. And I hope it's good, because y'all know, the ones that's been around with me, no, I don't like to try new stuff when I'm hungry. I don't. Okay, so why? Sir, why? Why are you sitting right there clocking people trying to? Why? And I knew he was going to turn behind me, oh, brilliant ass. But why is you doing that? Because if you ask me where I'm going to lunch. And if you ask me why I'm speeding, it's because I got to get back from lunch. The hell? Shit, you should already know. Ugh, anyway. He not finna rain on our parade. Can I go straight from this lane? Yeah. He ain't even worried about me, first of all. Wait a minute, he might be speak too soon. Ooh, baby, you pulled right out in front of him. Good luck with that. Ooh, I know you kicking yourself in the ass. Okay, girl, let me stop Gemini and pay attention to y'all. So we almost here, child. So I'm at this point, I'm rambling. I'm just gonna we're gonna go in and then we're gonna get the goods and then we're gonna see what's up. All right, guys, we done made it here, but I want to go on record on saying this. I see why I don't leave for lunch. 'Cause baby, let me tell you something. It is nowhere to park. So that's why I don't leave for lunch, because it's too busy. I need to not go at 12. How about that? Okay, guys, we are back, baby, and we got the goods. The kids meal did work. I would say if you're trying it, if you've already had it, it's no big deal. But if you wanted to try it, I would definitely say go with the kids meal, because baby, we got a quesadilla. You get 2 sides. Wait a minute, a quesadilla. We get 2 sides. We got chips and we got a drink. Boom! We won! Hell, and the crazy part, let me see, how much was it? It was $4.95 plus tax. It was $5.36. Here's the crazy part. Even if you got 2 kids meals because you were hungry, it's still cheaper than the damn one regular meal. You heard it here first. Okay, Kaye Lanhi giving you news you can use, baby. So yeah, child, let's see. It's a little warm in here. Hold on. Okay, so we are about to head back to the office, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I did get some rice, because she was like, well, you get 2 sides. Oh, that's what I wanted to tell you. Fun fact. Out of one of your sides, if you get the grilled veggies, the veggies is considered a side. So there's that. And anything after the 2 sides, they charge you for. So we got the sour cream, we got the dressing. So we ready, child. We ready. I just hope this tastes good. And if it don't, I mean, it was $5.36. That which might set me back, but you know, hey, I'm doing it for y'all, cause y'all want to know too. A realistic review on this TikTok hack. So let me stop rambling, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, guys, we are back, and we got our goods. And get your teeny weeny bag of chips. Got both of the sauces. Oh, they look skimpy with it. And we got our kids meal. The kids now. There we go. We are back. Like I said, you get the quesadilla, which is it's actually a tortilla with meat in it, honey, just one rolled in half. And for my sides, I got the brown rice and the veggies. I don't know if I'm going to eat the rice right now. Right now, I just want to taste the quesadilla. For the sake of the video, we gotta open it up, because they didn't put the veggies on there. Child, they was taking me too fast, so I didn't get a chance to tell them to put the veggies on there. But that's fine. We can do it ourselves. No big deal. Y'all, while I was on my way back to the office, when I was at the light, I was looking through my electronic newspaper. And when I say electronic newspaper, I'm talking about Instagram. So, y'all. So Shakira husband cheated on her? Why y'all ain't tell me? Oh my God. And the killing part is that her hips don't lie. So, I don't don't get it. Like, but then he said she found out because of some jam, her special made jam. So I was like, well, I need more information. So how did you know it wasn't him? So did you catch it like on camera? Is he allergic to the jam? That's how you know he didn't eat it? Like, how you know it wasn't him? Like, did she drink it like a drink and her lipstick was around the thing? Like, I need more information. I need to know. I need her to tell me her business. So okay. If nothing else, it got vinegar in it. Jesus. Okay. Sure. I think I put too much in there. Hold on. Let me pour some of the juice big. Okay. Oh Lord, that's still too much. Oh my God, girl, why would you pour the whole thing? Oh, you didn't think that all the way through. Okay, all right. Oh, I hope it don't be bad, because I mean, it's a lot. Okay. So can y'all see it? I got it mixed up. So I guess you're supposed to do this. Like I said, so this is enough for me for lunch, but bottoms up, here we go. My realistic review. I don't know if I was looking for something to happen. Hold on, let me get another bite. It is good. It's really good. It really is. It's really good. Is it worth making it a TikTok hack? I guess so, because I tried it because of TikTok, but I would give it a strong 4.5. I wouldn't give it a 5, but I would give it a strong 4.5. It's really, really good. So that's my take on it. I would say though, when you add the dressing, make sure not to put as much as I did. It's still good though, y'all. We still got plenty of food left. So, and I would also say, recommend, if you're not sure, go with the kids meal. Guys, I got all this food. I can pick up some ground beef from somewhere, and I got me a whole nother meal, child. Do I regret getting a bigger meal? No, because like I said, I'm trying not to eat that much anyway. I'm pretty much satisfied with what I have. Probably won't last that long, but I'm pretty much satisfied with what I just ate. I definitely would say go try it. Definitely go try it. Definitely go try and get a kids meal. See, it'll be cute. You can have a cute little date with your kids or your grandkids. Y'all often get kids meals, child, for like the same price for one damn big meal. You heard it here first. So, y'all, if y'all tried, follow me on Instagram, tag me in it, and show me you got it. I would love to see it so we can kick in the comments. Also, if you've already tried it, put it down in the comments. Guys, thank you for sticking around this long through the whole video. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next one.
I said, take back, stop what you're doing, come over. Come over. Come over. Come over.